All right, now to the right of us here, this is actually the start or finish, depending on which side you start from, of Holcomb Creek Trail. We just recently did that trail, so we got a video coming up. Make sure you subscribe so you know when that video is dropping. Alright, so here we finally made it to the trail. Today we're doing Lower Larga Flats. It's rated as pretty intermediate or medium, but there is a few spots where it does get a little difficult. You'll see in a little bit. It's a fun trail, but here we are, beautiful day. Let's get started.
More driver, more driver, more driver. All right, now start turning this way and keep going. Yeah. Not too much. Go back a little. Right there. Good. Good. And now turn.
That's sick, bro.
I'm just trying to keep an eye out for your other one. Turn driver. Driver. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. More driver. Give me a second. Let me go in front of you. Yeah, you're doing good. Driver. Go back a little bit. Just a little bit. A little more. Stop. Go driver. I'll drive it. All right, now take it slow. Keep going. Driver. Yeah. Keep coming. Now, hold on. All right, you made it through that. Okay. It's going to be a little easier. Yeah, just keep coming just how you are. All right, hold on. Back up. All right, back up. Back up. Good. Get over there. Driver.
That's good.
So this is where we stopped for lunch. Beautiful day. There was one or two other spots that I didn't record just because we got through them pretty quick. But the cool thing is that this trail actually dumps you into Holcomb Creek Trail. Once you pass this river right here, to the right is Holcomb Creek, and you would end up right to where I pointed at the beginning of this video. So we took a few pictures, finished our lunch, and then just made a left and continued the second half of Holcomb Creek. For those of you that haven't done Holcomb Creek, this one can be difficult. It didn't take very long for us to find some obstacles.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Back up. Back up. In the right hole.
Yeah, yeah. He's gone, man. He's gone. Oh my God. Oh shit. Home free.
All right, so that's about it. That's going to be your 2 sneak peeks to Holcomb Creek Trail. Make sure you guys subscribe. We have that video coming up soon, as well as a few other trails. We just did Gold Mountain last weekend. Those videos are coming. Stay tuned. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. Smash that like button. And like I said before, make sure you subscribe so you guys can get that next video. See you guys soon. Take care.